In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a Windows 11 the easy way. So you don't need to have two computers anymore. Everything runs on one device. The first thing you need is an app called UTM. UTM is a Mac app that lets you run another computer like Windows inside your Mac. There's a free version and a paid version. I have made a full video on how to get the free version, so you can go check it out. Next, go to your browser and search for Windows 11 ARM 64. Here are two things to note. One, it must come from the Microsoft official website. As you can see right here, microsoft.com. You click on it. And the second thing to note is that it must be ARM based PCs. Now, ARM 64 is the compatible version. If you download any other version, it's not going to work properly. So take note of that. ARM 64 is what you're going to download. You click select download and select Windows 11. Click download now. Choose your language. I'm going to choose English United States. Confirm. Click download now again. As you can see right here, it's downloading. Now once the download is complete, open your newly downloaded UTM. As you can see, welcome to UTM. Click create a new virtual machine. Click virtualize. Select Windows. You can leave the memory like this, but as for the CPU cores, you're going to give it 4. The reason we are giving it 4 is for better performance. Continue. You can leave the boxes to be checked just the way they are. As for the boot's ISO image, now this is where you are going to browse the newly downloaded Windows file. Click browse, and this is it. Now take note of this file name. You can see ARM64. This is the compatible version. If you downloaded AMD64, please go back and download it again. Download ARM64. AMD64 is not going to work very well. Click open, continue. You can leave the storage size like this. 64 is okay. Continue. You can add a shared directory only if you know what you're doing. I'm just doing this to show you how to have a Windows on your Mac. Continue. Check the box open VM settings. Save. Save. And click the play button. Press any key. Okay, you can select language settings. If this is the language you use in your country, you can leave it like this. But if this is not the language, you can select your own language. You click next. I'm going to leave it like this. Next. Product key. If you have a product key, you can enter it right here. But if you don't have a product key, select below I don't have a product key. Now we have 3 operating systems right here. I'm going to be downloading just one, and which is going to be Windows 11 Pro. We have Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Home single language, but I want to download Windows 11 Pro. Now this is the reason why I want to download this particular operating system. Windows 11 Pro has this advanced feature. It has advanced security feature compared to Windows 11 Home. So if you know which one you want to, do you want a Windows 11 Home that has a lesser feature, or a Windows 11 Pro that has an advanced feature? That's why I want to go for Windows 11 Pro. Most importantly, the advanced security features that is on it. So I'm going to download Windows 11 Pro and next. So this is a Microsoft license terms. You can just go through it if you want to, but I won't be doing that. I'll just click accept. So this is the unallocated space 64. If you could remember, we gave it 64 storage size earlier. So this is it. You click next. installing Windows 11. So you're going to wait for it to complete, and when it's complete, you have your Windows 11 Pro ready. Okay, so we're going to select the region, United States, keyboard, yes. Let's skip this. Okay, our Windows 11 Pro is ready. So let's confirm some certain things to be sure it works perfectly well like a normal Windows PC. I'm going to go to the File Explorer. Okay, we have the home, we have gallery, desktop, download, videos. Everything works very well like a normal Windows PC. Now let's confirm the name of this operating system. Go to this PC, right click this PC, properties. Here is the name of the operating system, Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to be in the comment section in case you encounter any problem. Don't forget to send your questions right there, and I'm going to be there to respond to all of them. And if you've learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.